Hi friends, I am Aishwarya Sunil Bivalkar, welcoming you to my channel The Joy of Cooking. Today I will be showing you all 4 pakoda recipes. Today we will be making monsoon special pakoda recipes. Let's begin. Onion pakoda or कांद्याची भजी. Best served with hot chai. So for that we require sliced onions, rice flour, chickpea flour or besan, water, oil, salt, turmeric powder, cumin seeds, red chili powder and hot oil. So now with a mixing bowl, I'll first take the chickpea flour or besan or gram flour. To it I will add rice flour, mix it a bit, then add turmeric to it, cumin seeds, red chili powder as per taste, hot oil and salt. Mix everything well and then add the sliced onions. Let the onions get coated nicely and then add little water, 1 to 2 tablespoons, and it's ready. Now I have heated oil in a kadai and I am going to deep fry the onions. So roughly take the bite-sized pieces and then deep fry them till they become nice golden brown in color and crispy from the outside. So deep fry them nicely on high flame and remove them once they are done. So this is how our कांद्याची bhaji is ready. Baby corn bhaji or baby corn pakoda. Start with this recipe. So for that we require baby corn. I have cut the ends and kept them whole. Chickpea flour or gram flour, oil, water, salt, rice flour, red chili powder, turmeric powder, cumin seeds and hot oil. So now in a mixing bowl, I'll first take the chickpea flour. Then to it I will add the rice flour and mix it. Then I will add the turmeric and cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon each. Salt as per taste. Red chili powder as per taste, about 1 teaspoon. Mix it well. And then we'll add hot oil to it. Normal vegetable oil, it's hot. Mix it well and then add the normal room temperature water and make a runny slurry, not too much runny and not too thick. So we'll add some more water. Whisk it nicely and it's done. In a kadai I will heat some oil. Till the oil gets heated, we'll take our baby corn and coat them nicely into the chickpea flour batter. Now the oil is hot, so I will put the baby corn one by one and very carefully, because it's very hot. We are going to deep fry our baby corn on medium high flame till they become nice crispy golden brown in color and they are cooked from the inside. So they are done. I'll remove them. And this is how our baby corn bhaji is ready, or the pakoda. Potato pakoda or batatachi bhaji. Start with this delicious pakoda recipe. For that we require peeled and cut into round shape potatoes, not that thinly sliced, then chickpea flour or besan, rice flour, water, oil, salt, hot oil, red chili powder, turmeric and cumin seeds. So first in the mixing bowl I will take the chickpea flour and then to it add the rice flour to make the pakoras crispy. Then I add turmeric, red chili powder as per taste, cumin seeds about 1 teaspoon, salt as per taste and hot oil 2 teaspoon. Mix it well and then add water to it. Whisk it nicely. Make sure there are no lumps. Then I have heated oil in a kadai and I am going to deep fry the potatoes. Coat them into the chickpea batter and then we are going to deep fry them in hot oil till they become nice golden brown in color. So first I'll remove the small babies of the chickpea flour. We don't want that. And then deep fry the potatoes. Deep fry the next batch. And they are ready. Now I'll top it with some chaat masala. And it's served hot with hot tea or chai. And this is how our potato pakoda is ready. Mushroom sandwich pakoda. Require button mushrooms. I have removed their stems. So about 10 button mushrooms, finely chopped red capsicum, onion, yellow bell pepper, broccoli, maida slurry, salt, processed cheese, jalapenos, garlic, black pepper powder, breadcrumbs and oil. So first I will heat a frying pan and then add oil to it, very little. Then add the finely chopped garlic and saute it for about a minute or till the rawness is gone. Then add the finely chopped onion. Mix it well and let it become translucent. Then add salt as per taste. Mix it well and add the yellow bell pepper, finely chopped. Red bell pepper, again finely chopped, and mix it well. Then add the broccoli. I have finely chopped it. Mix it well. And after about 2 minutes I will add the pickled jalapenos. I have finely chopped them. Black pepper powder as per taste. Mix it well and then switch off the flame. It's ready. Now in another kadai or pan I will heat some oil and let it become hot. Our stuffing is at room temperature now, so I will stuff them into the mushrooms and then top it with some cheese. This is processed cheese. I have grated it. So add the stuffing and the processed cheese. Then we are going to take both the button mushrooms that we have stuffed, put them like this and then seal them properly like this. So I've made all. Then I'm going to dip them into the maida slurry, coat them nicely and then into the breadcrumbs. So make sure that they are coated very nicely and properly into the breadcrumbs. That is very important. Once they are done and our oil has heated nicely, I am going to deep fry the mushrooms till they become nice golden brown in color on high flame and remove them. They are ready. So this is how our mushroom sandwich pakoda is ready. So this is how our monsoon special 4 pakoda recipes are ready. Please do like my video. Subscribe to my channel The Joy of Cooking. Hit the bell icon for notifications of the new videos that I share. Follow me on Pinterest, Instagram and Facebook.
I am Aishwarya Sunil Bivalkar signing off. Take care, stay tuned, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.